Hey guys, it is actually November 30th right now. Tomorrow is December 1st, which is just like crazy. I'm so excited. I love Christmas. I love the holidays, so I'm so excited. I have a lot to update you guys on, and I'm just like super happy right now. Everything is just kind of falling into place, and I'm so happy. I have made some friends and like been hanging out with people, so like I've been really happy about that. And my mom actually came for the weekend. Since she couldn't come for Thanksgiving, or we couldn't be together for Thanksgiving, she came for the weekend. She left today, which was really sad, but we got so much done and it was so much fun. Like, I love seeing her. I had to work, but that's okay because we still got to hang out, and it's amazing. I love her so much. I get to see her next month for Christmas, so it's all good. It was a sad time saying goodbye, but I'm really happy I got to show her around. We actually got matching Christmas PJs. That's what I'm in right now. I'm obsessed with them. We got them from Target, if you were wondering, because they're so cute. I love them. I'll insert some pictures of us. Showed her around Charleston, around like where I live. Like, we walked around. We got a lot of furniture. We finished actually my whole entire apartment. I just finished cleaning and putting up pictures and kind of just like decorating everything, and I'm totally obsessed. I love it so much. So that's actually what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys my apartment and kind of give you like where I got everything. I got everything super cheap, so that's good. But yeah, I'm super happy. I've never had like last year I had my own apartment and I had roommates. So Joseph and I didn't want to get like a lot of stuff because we knew that was like a temporary thing. We wanted to get our own place next year, and so we didn't like get any stuff, and it didn't feel very homey. Like, so this place is amazing, and it feels like home. Like we had, oh, I love it a lot. I know I keep rambling, but let's go. I don't know if I updated you guys on Thanksgiving. No, I haven't. So what we did for Thanksgiving, I actually went to a coworker's house. She invited everyone. That was super nice, and we had amazing food. And that I worked on Thanksgiving as well, just for a little bit, 5 a.m. to 11:30. And then I got home. Like, I just stayed at the coworker's house for like an hour. And then I got home. Me and Joseph went for a little walk. It was really nice. And then we cooked a nice dinner. It wasn't like a traditional Thanksgiving meal, but we had steak, corn, potatoes. We had a different type of vegetable, I don't really remember. And then broccoli. And then we had pumpkin pie. It was a lot of fun. So it was a good Thanksgiving. And then the next day I worked on Black Friday. I opened, actually, it was so busy. And then me and some coworkers went Black Friday shopping. I got a couple stuff. I'll actually show you. I got some candles. One candle I have lit right now, I'll show you. But then it's just some Bath and Body Works candles. I might give them away for Christmas, so if you're my family or friends and see that, you might be getting that. Oh well. Then I also got this really cool mug from Francesca's. I'm obsessed with it. I also don't know if I'm keeping this or giving it away for a Christmas present, but this is the mug. I haven't even taken out the packaging yet. But it has like the world on it, like you can kind of see. It has the world on it, and it comes with a pen. And then you fill in every state that you've been to with the pen. And then you bake it in the oven, and then it like sticks it. I don't know. It's really cool. I think it's cool. And it was only $10. So that's everything I got for Black Friday. Not a lot. Let me show you the apartment now though. So this is, you walk in through my door. I have a studio apartment, so I know it's small, but it's cute. So this is the bathroom. These PJs. This is how Joseph asked me to prom our senior year. May 17th is the day Joseph and I started dating. He got we went to New Orleans and it was our 1 month of dating. We already went on vacation with each other and we went to this hot dog stand really late at night. We were walking around like Bourbon Street, and then the next day we were walking around and we saw this painting, and he got that for me as our little 1 month anniversary gift, and it is really cute. I'm obsessed. So, fun fact. Yeah, oh my god, I hope you guys like it. I'm obsessed with it. I'll kind of share where I got everything now. So these chairs, we got them at Target. I don't remember how much they were, but they weren't that much. And then this rug, and this rug, we got from a local thrift store. I think it's called Community Thrift Store. And they were like all under $10. And then we got this coffee table. And then these two end tables at Goodwill, and they're like a matching set. I think they're so cute. They're like really nice quality too, like they're super heavy and I like it a lot. This couch we got off of Facebook Marketplace. It was only $125 and it's in like really good condition. And the family we got it from, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them. They were the cutest, nicest family ever. The couch actually ended up not fitting in my car, and it was just me and my mom who went. Joseph was at work, so we were trying to like fit this couch in my car. It was like a whole mess, and the husband was like, you know what, like I have a truck, like we could put it in my whatever that back thing's called, I don't know, I can't think of it right now. And so we can put it in my truck, and then it was actually raining too, so he had to like put a tarp over it and everything. Like, they're so nice, and they drove it to our apartment. They carried it into our apartment, and like they were just so sweet. I love them. They had 2 little kids too. They're just a cute little family. So I'm really happy we got it, because like if you buy couches from like thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace, you don't really know where they're coming from. It could be kind of like gross, but I know that this couch came from like a nice clean family. Like their house was beautiful. So I'm really happy we got the couch off of them. And then this blanket and pillows we got from Target. These pillows are actually from the Chip and Joanna section of Target. Like, I'm obsessed with that section. I could buy everything in that. Oh, this was the other candle I got on Black Friday from Bath and Body Works. It's not focusing. And then just all of these like knick-knack things we have decorated. We've just gotten randomly. But look, this is our little DIY we made. It's so cute. Oh, and then this TV stand we got from Target as well. It was $90. So that was like one of the most expensive things, except for the couch that we got. But I really like it a lot. And then what else? This sign I'm so obsessed with. It says Home South Carolina, and it matches like our wood bob we got going on. And actually one of my sister's best friends got it for me for my graduation gift, and I love it. So thank you, Emily. And then this rug and that shower curtain we got from Target. And then I think these things we got from either Target or Walmart. But everything else, yeah, we got like over the years. This little cute drawing painting thing we just got from like a local stand. It's really cute. Oh, and then all of our Christmas decorations, guys. These are from Joseph's mom. They're so cute. She sent us a little care package, and so, like all these little Christmas things, I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. And then this all at Five Below. I made a video about that, but look how cute. This little ornament, oh my gosh, okay. I'm being annoying, but I'm just so happy. And I had just had like the funnest time with my mom, and I'm just so happy with like how life is going. I have people I really like here, and this area is just really starting to feel like home, which is good. It's all I wanted, and it's not too far from family. Everything is good here. I'm so happy that I finally have a real homey apartment, and it just feels really good. I can't wait to like show my friends and family that come. Like, I'm just proud of it. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. What has been going on in my life? Not really much. But I do have to open Starbucks every day. I work this week at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I open. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah. Look at me Christmas pajamas. I'm so excited for Christmas. But thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed today's video and liked my apartment. Love you. Bye.